Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a serious memory upgrade. The OWC 128GB DDR3 ECC registered memory kit. This isn't your everyday RAM. It's designed for workstations and servers. So if you're thinking about popping this into your desktop, think again. It's crucial to remember that this ECC registered memory won't play nice with standard unbuffered memory. So compatibility is key. This kit consists of 8 16GB DDR3 1600 PC 3-12800CL11 modules. That's a whole lot of memory. If you're running a server that's starting to feel its age, or if you're building a new one from the ground up, this OWC kit could be a game changer. The modules are 2RX 240-pin and operate at 1.5E. OWC emphasizes that this memory is 100% compliant with JEDEC standards and is RoHS compliant. This is important because it assures users that the memory meets industry standards for performance, reliability, and environmental safety. It's also designed and tested to meet or exceed OEM specifications, which means it should work seamlessly with compatible systems. The main benefit of ECC register memory is its ability to detect and correct errors. This is particularly important in server environments where data integrity is paramount. By using this OWC kit, users can potentially extend the life of their existing server infrastructure or save money on a new build without sacrificing reliability. Before purchasing, double-check the server or workstation's compatibility with ECC registered DDR3 memory. Consult the system's documentation or the manufacturer's website to confirm that it supports this type of memory and the specific capacity of each module. Installing incompatible memory can prevent the system from booting or cause other issues. Overall, the OWC 128GB DDR3 ECC registered memory kit is a solid option for those looking to boost the performance and reliability of their servers or workstations. The large capacity and error-correcting capabilities make it well-suited for demanding applications and workloads.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.